Yes, so let's start this presentation. So hello everyone. Here is a user Nanur from Arabic communities. I contribute on Wikidata by training the beginners, most concentrate on that work, and organizing and coordinating events and activities. And I'm a co-founder of Wikidata Arabic community. So today, my colleague Hussam Adin will present you and tell you our story, how this get started, the community and Arabic Wikidata days, what we have done, and where we are now. So, Hussam Adin, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much. So, I'm glad to present you our initiative entitled Arabic Wikidata Days. Let's begin with a brief introduction about the situation in the Arab region. So, actually, there is 22 Arab regions, mainly in the Middle East and North Africa. There are a lot of citizens out there, around 300 million citizens. But actually, we are lagging behind in terms of contribution to Wikidata and Wikipedia and Wikimedia movement in general. So when we find out what is the representation of Arab countries uh, in terms of the geotagged items in Wikidata, we find that there are several countries, around 8 to 10 countries, that are significantly represented. Some countries have a very low rate of items per capita. So actually, this situation should be resolved. Also, when we talk about Arabic lexemes for modern standard Arabic, we are also lagging behind. So actually, we currently have 36,000 lexemes, and only one person, Mr. Ibrahim, did all of it. So actually, Arabic is a root and pattern language. So from linguistic perspective, if we have around 3,000 roots, so we should have around 300,000 lexemes. Unfortunately, we are far behind, and we need to take action on that. Also, when we see the most represented Wikidata categories having Arabic labels, we see that there are mostly Wikimedia categories in Arabic Wikipedia, some humans, but actually we don't have significant uh, representation of many kinds, of many types and classes of Wikidata items. There were some initiatives before to actually introduce the Arabic community to Wikidata. There was, and there is still a conference called Wiki Arabia, which is the Wikimedia conference for the Middle East and North Africa region, and the Arabic-speaking communities as well. So what we have seen is that we actually had 2 Wikidata sessions per edition, and most of them are introductory sessions. So actually, we are not going deep inside getting the Arabic users to know the advanced skills of contribution to Wikidata. So from what I have shown, we can see that we have a lot of gaps. We have a representation gap, a translation gap, a training gap. We have a very narrow community in the Arab region, and we actually have a very limited growth. So our motto to solve this is support sustainability and representation. This means that we are trying to develop a community that supports and sustains the contributions of Arab enthusiasts and bring the coverage of Arabic-related topics in Wikidata to the next stage. This is how we actually decided to create a community which is the Wikidata Arabic community. Actually, we met in Wikimania Singapore in 2023. We identified that there is a huge lack of Wikidata-related activities in Arabic, and we thought that we can certainly do better with a bit of governance. Some months later, we created the Wikidata Arabic community. Here is some pictures of us at Wikimania Singapore. Yeah, and then after we created our community, we said we should have a mainstream event, an event that actually is organized every year. And we started creating this Arabic Wikidata case. What we do is that we bring experts from Arabic-speaking communities that are unknown, mostly unknown to the Arabic community, to share their knowledge with interested people. We actually target not only Wikipedians, but also Wikisource users, data scientists, computer scientists, etc. And we cover all aspects of contributions, even the most difficult one. And we try to actually encourage people to reuse and edit Wikidata. Yeah. The first edition was organized in October 2024. It continued to January 2025. We had an hybrid conference with 3 in-person events, one in Port Said, one in Benghazi, one in Sfax. And I would thank Wikimedia Libya for actually making the governance of all of this. We had 3 tracks, the Wikipedia tracks, the Wikisource tracks, and the data science track. And we covered a bunch of topics at the first edition. We had covered Wizard, which is a tool for editing Wikidata from Wikipedia. We also covered the Wikidata-powered info boxes, OpenRefine as a tool of adding tabular data to Wikidata, quick statements, only the basics of quick statements, unfortunately, basic and advanced Sparkle, and Wikibase CLI, which is a script-based tool to actually edit Wikidata and Wikibase instances. So actually, bench of topic, some basics, some advanced things, etc. Yeah. So actually, yeah, concerning Wikibase CLI, it is used on the top of Node.js, by the way. Yeah, so actually it was a success. We had 29 participants, very active participants. We have 832 minutes of recording, and we have a considerable number of new users that grasp all the skills to efficiently contribute to Wikidata, who are now active Wikidatans. And we had several new projects across the Middle East and North Africa that have been launched after this. But actually, we can do better. That's why we decided to create this second edition. It is actually currently occurring as a side effect of Wikidata Con 2025. Actually, yeah, what we insisted on is to actually organize this event online so that we can bring everyone in. Also, not at the times of the main conference. We have made our Telegram channel available for supporting people to participate to WikiDataCon and to the Arabic Wikidata Tales. And we upgraded the topics of interest. It is not just a series of tutorials, but it also debates about fundamental issues about wiki projects in Arabic, mainly. I have to acknowledge that this event has been funded by Wikimedia Deutschland. Thanks to them. Yeah, so actually, this is all the topics we covered. We covered the Wikidata skills, we covered quick statements 3.0, the advanced skills of quick statements, the interactions between Arabic Wikipedia and Wikidata, and how we solve the issues that are inherited from Arabic Wikipedia, making Wikidata bots using artificial intelligence and Wikibase integrator, added support of the history calendar in Wikidata and Wikibase, and some briefings about WikiDataCon 2025 so that people can follow what is happening here in the main conference. So what we envision as a goal for this is to have more than 30 participants, 510 minutes of recording, spreading the basic and advanced knowledge of Wikidata across the Arab region, and providing the powerful documentation of all aspects of contribution to Wikidata in Arabic. In short, establishing a community that can make a difference in Wikidata. So now, as a future direction, what we envision as a plan. So actually, we did some brainstorming at WikiSite 2025. We were grateful to with some active Wikimedians that have shown up to actually share their experience about organizing Wikidata events. And actually, we thought about how we can sustain these Arabic Wikidata days and other similar initiatives. So what we found out is that small local events can be as effective for outreach and recruitment. We don't have to make it very large and actually stay 4 or 5 years without any addition. Large centralized events are mainly viewed as inefficient and costly. Also, the emphasis on supporting passionate contributors locally and coordinated globally can be useful to avoid overlap. The major cost challenge is finding affordable physical venues, not tech setup. So that's why there is a direction towards having online events with some rooms, small rooms for distributed events. Also, the Wikidata community is diverse, less socially focused than Wikipedia events, and so this kind of event can actually, because they are small, can be used for networking and stuff. Concerning the program design, we have seen that we need to avoid too many parallel sessions so that the attention span of the participants would not be scattered towards following many sessions at once. And we actually found out that we can actually select 3 main tracks, three main topics of interest, like we did in the first edition, and actually just focus on that so that people can grasp the concepts. Also, we have proof that multiple simultaneous locations can be possible. Concerning the technical and logistical issues, there is a lot of issues in the Arab region because some countries of the Arab region are mainly poor. And actually, the Arab region is vast, so actually it is a huge in terms of size. So actually, we have internet stability, we have different zone differences, we have varying weekend days as well. So some people are having their holidays on Sunday, some people on Friday, some people on Saturday. So actually, we need to take into consideration all of that. So one possible solution for mitigation is adaptive streaming, separate audio and video, probably choose low bandwidth for this, probably do smaller offline events that can be adapted to different time zones, etc. Thank you very much. That's all for our session. These are our contacts. This is our Telegram channel. This is our page on Meta, and this is our YouTube channel when we store all the records. Thank you very much. Time for questions.
Thank you, Husameddin and Noor. Yes, maybe we can very quickly have a question from the chat because we're running a little